This dog is more obedient.
Yes. Wait. Don't touch. Wait. Wait.
Why do you think they told us to wait? It's weird.
I don't know, but I'm hungry.
Should we eat them? I'm gonna eat it. Wait, we're eating it?
Okay, fine, I'll eat it. Oh, that's so good. There's more in the front. I'm gonna go have one.
Hey!
We told you to
We
wait.
told you to wait. Who ate it?
Who ate it?
Who ate it?
Dude, I would have bet so much money.
Oh my god, Juice went for it first!
Dude, that's crazy. I would have bet so much money
Me
that
too,
it
that
was
it
going to
was
be my
cash.
dog.
Round two, we have chips in the middle.